So how can you tell if your jaw is unbalanced? Well, if the midline in the upper and lower teeth is not aligned, it indicates an imbalance with the jaw. The misalignment of the upper and lower teeth shows that the jaw is not functioning symmetrically, which can affect your posture. So what this means is that every single time that you chew, your jaw moves in an uneven pattern, potentially leading to muscle tension, headaches, and even neck and back problems. So finding a holistic dentist in North America can be challenging because dental schools teach a perspective that views the mouth as a separate part, disconnected from its influence on the body. So to try to mitigate the negative effects of jaw misalignment, prevention is always best, as well as ensuring proper tongue posture.
Here's a simple exercise for learning proper tongue posture. The tip of your tongue should be resting on your upper palate, a few millimeters behind your front teeth. Place the tip of your tongue against the hard palate, on the roof of your mouth just above your top teeth. Using suction, pull the rest of your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth. If you do this correctly, your head should feel supported. You should stand straight, and breathing through the nose should feel more effortless. You don't want your tongue to be like this. You want it to be completely flat. So right before the sound, the tongue goes flat on the palate. Make sure that it's not touching the teeth. And you're going to want to hold that tongue posture for approximately 1 minute to 3 minutes. That's going to start changing your clenching habits. This is important because remember, if you clench your teeth, you are wearing out your back teeth, which are essential in the position of your temporomandibular joint, which affects the position of your head. So that is super, super important.
Now, if you're looking to get long-term results,
it's essential to focus on tools that retrain your body to work as it's naturally designed to. Using a mouth guard designed to position your tongue in its physiological position at the top of your palate plays a critical role in shaping your jaw, improving breathing mechanics, and even enhancing your posture. By training your tongue to stay in its optimal position, this approach helps restore natural alignment, supports proper nasal breathing, and ensures long-term structural balance without the need for constant external corrections like retainers or braces.
make sure to address the root cause of the problem, which is your tongue posture, the functions of the tongue, and proper breathing mechanics.